Simon & Schuster Audio presents The Physics of Star Wars. The Science Behind a Galaxy Far, Far Away. By Patrick Johnson, Ph.D. Read by Jonathan Davis. Introduction. Thank you for picking up The Physics of Star Wars. This book uses the fantastic world of Star Wars to explore physics in a new way. If you are already a Star Wars fan, you know that the stories take place in a galaxy far, far away. So the laws of physics should still apply. On the other hand, these are obviously works of fiction. Is there any point in applying those laws? This book makes the case that it is both fun and worthwhile to do so. Sometimes the physics shown in the movies is spot on, while on other occasions it would require advanced technology or new discoveries in the realm of physics to make sense. Either way, science is about the critical thinking process needed to tackle a problem rather than the specific situation in which the problem appears. There's no reason we can't consider Yoda force lifting rocks instead of pulleys lifting blocks. To that end, this book contains a series of categorized topics. Each topic is given a brief introduction and backstory, followed by analysis of the physics in the Star Wars universe, as well as where current technology or scientific understanding puts us relative to it. These topics draw only on what is seen in the movies. There would just be too much to talk about otherwise. Still, the films don't always provide all the answers needed to explain a physics topic. What exactly is a lightsaber? Is it a plasma or a beam of light? Depending on the source you consult outside of the movies, it could be either. In this book, what is depicted in the movies is taken as definitely true, but other canon sources are considered when needed. If there is not a clear conclusion that can be drawn from what is shown in the film, several possible theories are discussed. Obviously, the movies do not provide technical specifications for all the ships and planets. When those numbers were needed, relative measurements from freeze frames or timed length of scenes were used. For the sake of clarity, not all calculations are shown in full detail. If you want to reproduce them on your own, you can do that with the help of an introductory physics book. The beauty of science is that no matter who or where you are, you should be able to reproduce the results of another person's work. I hope this book makes both
Sample complete. Ready to continue?